Hello, kitchen enthusiasts! We're back with another electrifying episode to supercharge your cooking experience. Today, we're delving into the universe of the 5 best electric hand mixers of 2024. Before we embark on this mixing journey, make sure to check out the links in the description, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't miss a beat. Ring that notification bell. Now, let's dive into the world of culinary convenience. Starting at number 5, Elekid Electric Hand Mixer. The Elekid Electric Hand Mixer offers a wireless and rechargeable solution for your baking needs. With a modest 150 W power, this handheld mixer is perfect for tasks like beating eggs and whipping cream. The 4-speed gear adjustment provides flexibility for different mixing requirements. Crafted from 304 non-magnetic stainless steel, the Elekid mixer is durable and rust-resistant. The automatic rotation function, activated by gentle pressure, adds to its ease of use. The bold and comfortable handle reduces wrist pressure, ensuring a pleasant baking experience. If you value portability and convenience, the Elekid Electric Hand Mixer is a reliable choice for your kitchen. At number 4, Socony Electric Hand Mixer. The Socony Electric Hand Mixer is a powerful 800 W kitchen companion, offering a variety of functions from beating eggs to kneading dough. With 5-speed settings, this mixer provides versatility for different recipes and ingredients. The one-key eject feature allows for easy removal of the egg beater. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Socony Electric Hand Mixer is equipped with an accelerator key for quick speed adjustments. Its sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. If you're looking for a high-powered mixer that handles various cooking tasks efficiently, the Socony Electric Hand Mixer is an excellent choice. At number 3, Sonifer SF7017 Electric Hand Mixer. The Sonifer Electric Hand Mixer is a 500W powerhouse designed to simplify kitchen tasks, from beating eggs to stirring cream. Its versatile performance makes it an ideal companion for baking enthusiasts. With multiple speed settings, this mixer adapts to various ingredients and cooking needs. The thoughtful design includes a one-button withdrawal feature for the beater hook, enhancing user convenience. The double beater hook's multiply efficiency, reducing overall working time. The Sonifer Electric Hand Mixer's compact size and efficient mixing capabilities make it suitable for those who value both performance and space-saving design in their kitchen appliances. Number 2, Balashov Electric Hand Mixer. The Balashov Electric Hand Mixer stands out with its high-power 450 W DC motor, making it an excellent choice for those who value speed and efficiency in their kitchen gadgets. This handheld mixer is wireless, portable, and equipped with a long-lasting battery, ensuring it's ready for use when you need it. Featuring a robust torque for making both Chinese and Western pasta, this mixer offers infinite adjustment speeds, allowing users complete control over their mixing. The noise level remains low at 66 decibels, providing a comfortable baking experience. The thoughtful design, including a one-click withdrawal stick, adds to the overall convenience. For those seeking a powerful and efficient hand mixer with a sleek appearance and practical features, the Balashov Electric Hand Mixer is a top contender. At number 1, Chius Electric Hand Mixer. The Chius Electric Hand Mixer is a versatile kitchen tool that effortlessly handles a variety of mixing tasks. With 7-speed settings, including beaters for whipping eggs and dough sticks for heavier mixing, it caters to all your baking needs. The compact dimensions of 188.36 centimeters make it a space-saving solution for any kitchen. One of its standout features is the easy installation and removal process. The egg or dough sticks can be inserted or removed effortlessly with the press of a button, saving both time and effort. The model's 100 W power ensures efficient mixing, and the plastic housing adds to its durability. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or a casual home cook, the Chius Electric Hand Mixer's user-friendly design and multiple speed settings make it a suitable choice for a wide range of users.